Episode for higher GC News. Bima Uya Kwaba Hadia latest and hot news and Aramede Bremo. Enunti Sonya subscribe to channel idea Bomodia say be subscribe. They'll be on say be click a subscribe button na wabele notification where is a new video be upload when the first person I want sa ebeka a video afi uya na wa like video give us a thumbs up na afi share ma ofori so na wenye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo a ekoso e wo Ghana memu harom afi ye hwe ye ensemo a abeto ye pono so yenti ye sankomo yenti sansemo ya ekoso yi mu yenti
wo
enti ya to aba manyansafo ana say ya to aba manwe
Kojo question ni dey say nyame.
I'm only asking a question. Yet to aba manyansafo so mkodi MP. And I to aba manwe. I'm only asking you. And when you invite me, I will come. I will speak my mind. You see, it's so crazy and I don't know, but what the my bad you are. When him say Obia, when it is so cutting bow, be fire. Okay. Let's see. Everybody is expecting Captain Smart to say something. About the useless mental alacrity of some members of parliament who behaved like nothing, but people who do not cherish and appreciate our toil, our hustle and tussle of queuing to vote for them. Sankrofo bi na mo from MPs no I am adwon second o but abasa mo fa so o e mo bia nya obia asam ne yem pese ye be kentra na what the 5,000 vote the DMP me TV so me wo 8,000k me no one MP. No, you see ye giant se hunu no di wo kroma MPs ni bebre wo mu di se hunu sam funi se hunu abodam sam ena osori a wo mu ye MP na wo mu di nkwa asem krom ha obi atimi ka hwenkyera wo mu because we MP nonsense wuni ni wo se nkwa na to abama ho wuni ene wo se do you know the number of people who queued to vote for you? Yeah, and your fan is trasa. Yeah, the deeper quatrasa montua mumbisana some obit says some Georgia quatnasi and Rami had the other side of me boy food me jive because he was so stupid. This is the time I say whitewashing Anado. Afenyo Markin Anado who I akono. Na onim na MPP Afenyo Markins na wonim. Say na Akufo Addo abani din sem fun wo krom ha. Ye kan sam choma muntie. You didn't know? Enti wonim. Say Akufo Addo. Ote wasa na eba di tirimu a bam. Ose kwache Captain Smart. Enye dama na ye dan. Akufo Addo aban otu wasa pagam you see he levy enu na ma me chairman Eric ya me check say hey Paris le toda utu onfo a omutie wa was Afenyo Markins and sa akwa bi na bre wo bra wa bre Anno Dompreh bra wa bre
kama konya no dey city so
really? Maybe behave to say maggots. And you guys don't want us to talk because you think you are members of parliament. Rubbish. Members of parliament for the way. I had to move here. The constitution, no. Any UK, any America, constitution, they are pet. ena niema bi wuwom what say UK MP onim nyansa akopa appointment committee akobu microphone ayarfo when we say US senator apai glass enye jibia when we say US MP akopai glass to table
microphones.
Hey, baby, a gold one in answer na woho. You must think like gold. It's who I MP no behave so I aboa. And baby, I yet duru wo mem han wo hu. Mutim yi o. Ye ni adaje wo bia ho afa ne ye be kokro wo. No. It ain't gonna happen. She on my fair to say Ghana. Sam George at ho. And that data, nebo. Me never part of the Facebook I me. Me I don't even check. But the last time I saw data fee MTN ho. 18th January. Yay! Me to 1,400 Ghana cedis. Sunday here came yes. Me frame account manager. Me dey postpaid. Me frame account manager na sina. I say captain Hassan, we have to do usage analysis to check who is using with you. I wanted to hear how Sam George is going to make sure say data na for use our London, data na use America, when we use Germany, France, Luxembourg, the same way that me met me use Sadia Beya mean say sika. Na Sam George to her, na yakwafa Sam George ni post 2023. Asama Sam George Troy useless and rubbish. What has that got to do with me? John Mahama me communications minister. On my data na and conform be him Facebook no ne boane nyafo. Na Sam George to her. Na fe na ye bisa say what trouble be about that now what rubbish. The thing is appointments committee. You are to vet. Vetting means that secure, maintain, sustain, uphold, and make sure that the person na ya boni dino say on some machine the person is capable. Useless party politics. You can't see, hey, yeah, mobi anti ase. Mo fa so, me for bia ho. Me ti asa no, me for bia ho. Ghana pe, e na me fa ho. Me for bia ho. Me mami owo me agi, me he the fine. Owu a mesie the fine. Me papa owo me he the fine. Owu a mesie the fine. Ba me ti wei, me hye da am fa omo ho saa. If I Ghana ho, I'm telling you. Me money cost school I'm so daddy. We are going to Namso. Nyame. I'll come and visit you, so don't tell me that. You do your Ghana and then I know you also not come. You help him to do his Ghana. You will see Mumbuade. Share Sanka Obi and the Boura Parliament and our Tam MP spectacle and our touching ya. Hey, by now, police Fokutano. Aya dam. Aya yaria. Auntie Ama, forgive me this morning. Where are Jimmy? Anka by now, Sani Pano. Ya never quite to Nima. Nima police station. Akufo Addo 37th time. I hold the knee kind of me coin because I need myself. When I Jimmy Nyansa kitikiti say enim Sammy what to be biya from her can MP appointment committee so including the chairman can be a free so we have to almost can we have to declare a by-election because these guys don't think. They don't think. What kind of rubbish is this? Really? These guys are not thinkers. Which one are Kwabena Agyapong as I do your Kweku Annan? I want to put it to you. Put it to who? Is that a court of law? But Sam George, me say me supply Kosia for 1 year. Kosia Sam George be di 1 year. Me say Sam George, bra. We the dey man 2. Calculate ba me tria for 1 year. Remember Sam George Kosia 1 year. These are the kind of bold people that we need in this country to call the bluff of whoever thinks that he is somebody. Me too as say many nyash as start to say ye ko camera we hu a aye so a me kukur camera we de me hwe ho say jo me say nua ma baba anti bi baba o hwe na ade na ekoso de nene a ye be fra police for. Watch this. Sabeni Peter ekun abonti mu ha ye be report ye yakọ police station say be pra Peter assault. Maji Peter phone me dey ahwe ho ye dey make police station ye catch up say ma destroy Peter property. But MPs ne dey womo kuntokwa e parliament na womo say ade a womo say they enjoy immunity. This is stupidity. Oh, e will be a trim say me ba me fire. Until your prediction is right. Jena wo dwen wo fie no and then they want me to predict me. This is stupidity. It took the majority leader, Honorable Mahama Agyarko, to come in as a leader of the house to ask for a truce. This is so shameful. It is parliamentary barbaric. This is barbarism to democracy. And, well, Obiya nkahe. Obiya you okay. Obiya you fine. Because, woman SCSA, woman you members of parliament. President Akufo can say me, maybe I say me see baby, I say, hey, you Ato about Ghana for Ato about. And indeed,
Yatuaba.
80% mbisa say MPs na egu ho no sa wo mma school ne ya be ka tell say wo ba yes ade ye te say school akonwa na e wo school ho no wo ba tam de ahwe fam a then o be ka tell wo ba producer pomo videos ni bi go so Sammy what to me bia wo krom ha can be safe right from the chairman to whoever is on that committee can be declared by election. Me na catch you. Because yeah, Ghana for yeah sorry so bia ade bia so no abeye politician ade bia na asoso so no abedi MP ade bia na asoso so no adi minister ade bia. Because now put to be catcher and say Asante region we hear t-shirt. Can you imagine the di asantefo ina atem meanwhile yes o ya asanteni sa asantefo de won pay interchange won pay kwan won pay he ade wo pay ina den t-shirt o ka sem we chiro tumfo na we wa komenhia e de ntemesi wo mbote sa akokọ a ofie se be kosom wonyare kind of crutch that Ghana near or so would batem. Captain Smart na no yo. Captain there, Omua there, no sense. I dare we are crossing. Do they respect us? Omubu Ghana for. She? My name is Anno Dompreh. Chairman not committee this so. Afenyo Markins. Sammy Uku. Honorable Edrichum. Ayi bobo NDC MPs no okay da fiama kpo any woman na wo sa committee ni so ne say hwe sika dodo a electoral commission je ye ansa yetimi ato abama MP baako brafie sika easy ekwaji fi aban ho say ye betimi di ato aba e okrom ha enye sika wa mete hey efimra me maami age wu me besi nne menya abanjuma da I have never worked in any state institution de biada no mame hoso a private sector na me ye adwuma me wa Fox FM me we Christian Service University College na de amaka me we Christian Service University College na then Tiemiye National Service no me ye o Fox FM baby ana me wona me employer ni jitu mu se obefa me ho a enti aban National Service fosi kan kuna no me ya amambi cause you say me employer no onfa honka ye nanso de biada no bosumi bia so a yete me bosumi akatua as tax said ya easy say ohia sika to aba ama yenum say empisa say profoi say hununku ana omudi and some hununku ana omoto wa omudi ne yateme tax radio peace yateme tax otchere FM yateme tax Cass Radio yateme tax Fox FM yateme tax Adom FM yateme tax Angel FM and yateme tax Onia TV Onia FM ne yateme tax na ya say isi mbobo asa sikana no emfa maye kwoto aba ema yenum isi budget ba Echo Parliament. Mr. Speaker, we think it is very important because of our democracy, our democratical credentials enable us to actually make the Electoral Commission a very independent body. Mr. Speaker, I rise as the Gomua West Member of Parliament to say and indicate that it will be prudent and to also enhance our democracy. So, Mr. Speaker, let's approve the budget of the Electoral Commission. MP Samuwa Parliament inano, mo ye 275. As I say, ade bako kama wa 276. Mo tax, ebetu ame yatu ababa bako. So me di MP. Constituency na ofimu ba ya no. Ye count taxes in bom the number of years mami family wo for such even sabonso akra the only chain matching even chain sabonso sika wetua na tax so obeye MP emu ba ko pempo entimi ma ye nto amama no mani medi MP eti ye Ghana for ye sika and ye ne koto microphones na esisi ho no akodwa na mote so no eyeye sika wey eye Jimmy eye mpanifo mo Jimmy mpanifo wonnim nyansa enweno oman ho eti yen say oman na japade he o mpagya table to say gogomi a wenya gare mpani ntoto pagya table to say gogomi le si o memo bia nkasa say ya na mde ye Kwame anu oya Kwame Nkrumah be do atem Kwame Nkrumah de o munipa sa really say mafia baby a on be vetting no o ma say microphones I say table eti ye koye vetting was speaker conference room eti say speaker sunya hohwa on fa dem be bedroom e o tantra and me in class for Muya class for when him ye munu nyansa muya class for. But let me bring it down. Maybe
you waiting for winning and someone abeto yepono so make say so we subscribe to channel idia but more than say subscribe we say hadia latest and hot news and kwa era me de bro I think we are like video no give us a thumbs up not fi share ma ofofro so na we be here na wo hu someone ekoso e wo Ghana me mu harum also betimi atchere wadwen afa yen some we nyira ho e wo comment box ni mu wo beti minka biom in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.